Now, 2-1 shot Blue Vinyl upstaged 6-5 favourite Mojito to land the feature Lui Chie Poo Trophy, an overnight allowance contest going over 8 furlongs at Caymanas Park on Saturday. Denise Walters has our weekend racing review.
One of two winners for reigning two-time champion jockey Radish Roman, Blue Vinyl, in a brilliant come-from-behind run, found the space along the rail as he engaged in an exciting stretch duel with Supremacy.
They share the light. Supremacy now cutting into the lead. Mojito looks a danger. Interesting times ahead. Close enough if good enough. 4 lengths back to Blue Vinyl, racing ahead of Provident. Then Captain Sparrow. Forget King Pie, but they're coming into the lane. And Share the Light drifts off a true line. Supremacy pouncing over on the rail. Watch the grey Mojito now coming in between horses. Blue Vinyl is wound up against the rail. Interesting times ahead. Switched on the extreme outside. Supremacy battling to hold the lead inside the final furlong. Here is Blue Vinyl now with a testing run. Supremacy and Blue Vinyl in a head bob there inside the final 16. Supremacy and Blue Vinyl battling the bobbing heads toward the line. It's close. Could be Blue Vinyl over Supremacy. Then Interesting times.
Blue Vinyl, conditioned by trainer Gary Sobrati, had splits of 23 and 4, 46 and 1, 1 minute 11 and 2, for a final time of 1 minute 37 and 3, just getting there by a nose.
It's a really fast race. It was really early, but the pace really picked up leaving the 7th furlong. He fought on well at the end because I thought he was done for leaving at the quarter, but he got the inside run, so I think that's what helped him.
This horse is like my son. I know him very well inside out, so I just try to get a clean break, position him, give him a breather and ask him to turn the last 3, and that's what I did.
Meanwhile, 1-5 favourite Diesel Train, also with Roman aboard, had a very impressive win in the co-feature Valbert Marlowe Memorial Cup, a restricted allowance 3 contest for 4-year-olds and up, going over 9 furlongs. This after coming off a 4-month layup. Conditioned by Peter John Prasad, Diesel Train won by a spectacular 60 lengths in 1 minute 52 flat.
It's a pretty easy race because this horse is a very nice horse. So I know once he get a clean break, I just have to relax him as best as possible and ask him to turn the last 2.
A very, very good horse. We've had a couple of little issues with him that we've been able to sort out. I was actually very nervous coming into the race, coming off a layoff, going so long. But the jockey gave me a lot of confidence that the horse was ready to go. And, you know, he showed it today. So hopefully he comes out of this race good, and we think that he has a lot of scope going forward to the better things.
Jockey Robert Hallideen also rode a double, while reigning 4-time champion trainer Jason DaCosta saddled 2 winners. Racing continues next Saturday. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.